The former South African President F.W. de Klerk has called for strong and independent institutions, including an effective and independent electoral commission and an impartial judiciary, as a way forward to sustain Ghana's democracy. Mr. de Klerk was speaking at the IEA post-election petition lecture in Accra, following the end of the 2012 presidential election petition hearing.
The presidential election petition was described as a landmark case. The case brought to the fore the strength and the weaknesses in some institutions in the country, including the Electoral Commission. Prior to the judgment, many were uncertain about how the outcome of the petition will affect the nation, because such situations have plunged many African countries into civil wars. But once again, Ghana stood tall as a beacon of democracy in Africa without any violence. Another issue that came up after the verdict is the call for an all-inclusive government. Mindful of this, the IEA organized a lecture under the theme Fostering Peace, National Cohesion and Reconciliation after the ruling of the Supreme Court of Ghana. The main speaker was the former president of South Africa, Mr. F.W. de Klerk. He was instrumental in bringing down the walls of apartheid in the Rainbow Country. He lauded Ghanaians for maintaining law and order after the Supreme Court verdict, but added that Ghana needs to develop independent institutions that will handle elections and its associated disputes.
Genuine democracy requires an independent and effective electoral commission, an impartial and fearless court. You should not underestimate the great responsibility shouldered by an election commission in any election.
On the reforms of the electoral systems, Mr. de Klerk said Ghana should not allow the commission to lead the electoral reforms, a notion shared by former President John Agyekum Kufuor.
I would expect that the parties would come with ideas. I would expect the academia would come with ideas. We are talking of professional groups, the TUC, everybody. Let people throughout. You'll find that electoral commission, as independent as it must be a creature that commands trust and respect across the board. And if that's the case, how do we compose it? Who becomes a member of the commission? And for how long? That such a commission should be termed. It shouldn't be there forever and ever.
To Mr. de Klerk, the electorates should not view ideological differences as a platform for division, but a means to tap into divergent views for national unity and development.